Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can easily become a Ria Money Transfer agent. So we're currently here at a Ria blog on how to become a successful money transfer agent. So as you can see here, first is you have to have an understanding of the role of being a money transfer agent. So basically, you have to understand that agents facilitate the transfer of funds between two individuals by acting as the intermediary between the sender and the beneficiary. From this blog, you can also see a step-by-step guide to becoming a RIA money transfer agent. So here are the initial requirements. So as a small business owner, you already possess two core components that will help kickstart your career as a money transfer agent: your store and your customers. So as you can see here, you will also gonna need a printer and a functioning computer and also a stable internet connection. For these devices will enable you to process cross-border transfers and provide customers with physical receipts for their transactions. And the first step that you're going to do to finally become a RIA money transfer agent is go through this link. So in your search bar, just type riamoneytransfer.com/en-us/become-an-agent. So you will be then redirected to this sign up page, and from here just make sure that you fill out all the necessary information. Then once done, just press on message us button. From there, you have now successfully signed up to become a RIA money transfer agent, and all you have to do is just wait for their response. Just wait if you're shortlisted and you have finally become a RIA money transfer agent. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this video helped you on how you can easily become a RIA money transfer agent. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!